it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing lying leg raises with a stability ball. So when we do these, we are going to be lying on our back with our neck, our head and neck relaxed on the ground. Our hands can be by our sides or they can be tucked under our hips. We always want to make sure that we have our lower back glued to the floor. We're going to have the stability ball. We're going to hold it between our feet, which means that we're going to be really engaging our inner thighs here. All right, so we're going to lower that ball down with control towards the ground. Perhaps that stops us and cues us to come right back up. But if our lower back starts to come off the ground, then that's going to be our cue. That's enough range of motion for us. Unless we want to tuck our hands under our hips, that might give us a little bit more range of motion. But if the lower back starts to come up, that's your cue. Bring it back up. We are prioritizing the lower back staying on the ground. This is going to ensure that we're engaging our abs as much as possible. We're also squeezing through our glutes, or our thighs here, our inner thighs. We're squeezing that ball. So that's also going to help engage our low abs and our deep intrinsic core. So for more amazing core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.